AFL introduces the FOCIS Lightning Multi-Fibre Connector Inspection System. FOCIS Lightning is an ultrafast MPO and MTP connector inspection microscope intended for hyperscale and other large data center optical network operations. FOCIS Lightning uses two 5-megapixel sensors to image a full multi-fiber end face in less than 2 seconds. It generates a view of the connector pins and the alignment holes, as well as an instantaneous 2x zoom option for a closer look at debris and scratches. FOCIS Lightning's innovative use of liquid lens optics enables it to be built smaller and lighter than competitive products, making it a truly handheld inspection probe. Consequently, FOCIS Lightning will not damage delicate MPO end faces. Its compact design can be operated with one hand, leaving the other hand free to increase technician productivity. With an integrated 2.4-inch color LCD screen and internal storage for up to 10,000 in-face images and data files, FOCIS Lightning is completely self-contained. It requires no smartphone or tablet, thus saving on capital expenditures. Its rechargeable battery provides 6 hours of continuous use, minimizing downtime. FOCIS Lightning supports all MPO fiber configurations, including base 8. Key up, key down polarity information is captured as well to preserve correct fiber numbering information. FOCIS Lightning performs IEC-compliant automatic pass-fail analysis of MPO fiber ends at a rate of about 1 second per fiber and supports both MPO 12 and MPO 16 connectors using up to 2 rows. It also supports single fiber inspection workflows using AFL's extensive tip portfolio and single fiber coupler. FOCIS Lightning is available in a variety of ergonomic kit configurations, including multi-mode UPC and single-mode APC adapter tips for both MPO 12 and MPO 16 connectors. Via Bluetooth, USB, and Wi-Fi, inspection reports can be managed using AFL's FOCIS Flex mobile app, the TRM Windows PC app, and the Eros cloud-based workflow management platform. FOCIS Lightning stores individual fiber images, pass-fail graphic overlays, and zone table data for end users that require detailed inspection reports. It is possible via Bluetooth to pair FOCIS Lightning to AFL's award-winning FlexScan OTDR family members for applications in which unified test and inspection reports are required. With several breakthrough technical innovations, AFL's FOCIS Lightning now makes 100% optical connector inspection economically feasible in even the largest hyperscale data center facilities.